Hello all, this is Rishabh and I welcome you to the Python Hackerrank series. So we are solving Python problems on the Hackerrank platform. We have solved all the introductory problems. Now we are on the basic data types section and we have solved these 5 problems. And we are on the last problem for this section, that is tuples. Let's just go ahead and solve the challenge. Cool. So given an integer n and n space separated integers as input, create a tuple t of those n integers. Cool. Then compute and print the result of hash t. So hash is one of the functions in the built-in modules, so it need not be imported. So it is present in the built-in module, so we don't need to import it. And we have to calculate, we just have to build a tuple and then we have to calculate the hash and print the hash. Cool. So they have already taken the integer list for us, which is basically a map object. All that we need to do is we just need to typecast it into the tuple, and I think we can complete this problem in a single line of code. We can simply say print, then we can say hash, then we can say tuple, and then we can pass in the integer list. Cool. So if you notice what exactly we are doing here, we are taking in the integer list, which is actually a map object. Then we are converting that map to a tuple, and then we are taking the hash of that tuple, and then we are printing it. So simple. Yep, let's run the code. Cool, the sample test case has passed, and let me now try to submit the code. Yep, seems like we have passed all the test cases. Congratulations, you solved all the basic data type challenges in Python. That's great. I hope you're all also solving these problems alongside. And I hope you're enjoying solving these challenges. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one with more problems to solve. Till then, bye bye and take care.